Happy holidays, everyone. I wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you how to add our nonprofit to your Amazon Smile. So of course you're going to want to open the Amazon app, and then once you open the app, you're going to click on the three lines at the bottom right, and then underneath programs and features, you're going to click on Amazon Smile. Once you're here, you're going to either change your charity if you would like, or add it. So if you need to add it or change it, you're going to have to first search for it. So you're just going to go to that search bar, and this is where you're going to click support dyslexic children, and then you can stop there and click search, and then you're going to click on the one under Marietta, Georgia. Also, please make sure it says on right there, not off. You'll have to change that to on, and that is it. And then a portion of eligible orders, those proceeds will go to our nonprofit. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to do that and supporting the Academy and the Academy Virtual. And we wish you all a very, very happy holiday season.